Fortnite will conclude its 5th chapter with Remix the Finale, an in-game live event that will have performances from Snoop Dogg, Eminem, Ice Spice, and Juice WRLD. Snoop Dogg, Eminem, Ice Spice, and late rapper Juice WRLD are scheduled to perform at the next Fortnite live event, which would conclude the video game's 5th chapter. On the Earth of the Missing Remix, the finale will take place on Saturday, with the digital doors opening at 1:20 p.m. ET, according to a post shared on the video game's official X page on Wednesday. Before the event, Fortnite released in-game cosmetic items allowing players to look like Eminem, Juice WRLD, Ice Spice, and Snoop Dogg. Pre-orders for a vinyl consisting of songs from all 4 musicians is also available and will ship on January 24, 2025. Developer Epic Games recommends players log into Fortnite early to avoid the queue, according to gaming outlet Polygon. The event also comes after the release of Juice WRLD's 5th and final album titled The Party Never Ends. New performances will take place at the concert, including a single from Snog Dogg featuring Sting titled Another Part of Me, and the world premiere of Juice WRLD's Empty Out Your Pockets, according to a news release from Fortnite. What will the next Fortnite chapter be? On December 4th, Fortnite will transition to a brand new chapter like never before called Demon Hunters, the video game shared in an X post on Friday.